Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your Bank of Baroda account, debit card, and a phone with internet. Once done, open the BOB World app or log into net banking on your mobile browser. This begins the linking flow. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so menu labels match. You will need to authenticate with debit card details or login credentials, so keep them handy. Doing this upfront speeds verification and prevents mid-process interruption. You now proceed to the mobile number section. Tap Profile, then Mobile Number or Communication Settings. Next, select Add or Update Mobile, type the number you want linked and submit. This triggers an OTP. When you receive the OTP on that number, enter it promptly. OTPs expire quickly, so be ready. Once verified, the system may ask for additional authentication like debit card OTP or net banking PIN. Complete those steps. This confirms both ownership and consent to receive banking alert. Finally, confirm the change and wait for confirmation SMS or email that the new number is active. Some updates take a few minutes to reflect. If the OTP doesn't arrive, make sure D&D settings are not blocking transactional messages, check network signal, and request a resend. Sometimes switching to a different network spot helps. If linking still fails, contact Bank of Baroda customer care with your reference ID and be ready with account details. They can complete or troubleshoot the update.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.